The Granitestone Armor Max 8-inch non-stick frying pan is a decent option for everyday cooking. It's designed with a hard anodized exterior, which feels sturdy. The non-stick surface is supposed to help food slide off easily, and it does a fairly good job. Cleaning is also quite simple. You can even put it in the dishwasher if you want. The pan heats up relatively evenly on my stove. I did a bit of research before buying, and it seemed like a popular choice. I wanted a pan that wouldn't stick, and this one mostly delivers. However, I noticed that very high heat can sometimes cause a bit of sticking. It's important to use medium to low heat for best results. The release of food is better with some oil or butter. I'm not sure how long the non-stick coating will last, but so far, it's held up well. I like the size. It's perfect for cooking eggs or small meals. This frying pan is advertised as induction compatible, which is a plus. It also claims to be oven safe, giving you more cooking options. The pan is black, which looks sleek. I like the handle. It's comfortable to hold. The instructions recommend using silicone or wooden utensils to avoid scratching the surface. I appreciate that. I'm happy with the pan's performance for basic cooking tasks. It's a good size for a single person or small family. I think it's important to control the heat to maximize the non-stick properties. I'm not sure about the delivery time in India, as I purchased it locally. I didn't see any issues with my privacy when purchasing the product. I think this pan is a solid choice if you want a reliable and easy to clean frying pan. Overall, the Granitestone Armor Max 8-inch pan is a good value. It's not perfect, but it does what it's supposed to do. It's a simple cooking pan. It is good for making dishes that you don't want to stick to the plate. I hope this review helps you make a decision. There isn't a clear end to the coating's life, but I think with proper care it will last a while. I use it often. The system of non-stick works well. It is a good addition to my kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, lightweight, heats quickly, even cooking, good quality. Durable, large size, works well, solid. Heavy, great pan. Cons: very lightweight, easy to dent, bend. Rough use damages. No cover included. Avoid overheating. Cannot sear meat. Edge: not curve. Difficult for omelets. Prevent oil burning. Use low med heat only. Features: Granitestone brand. Armor Max model 8-inch size, non-stick surface, hard anodized, cooking. Pan use: skillet type, induction ready, oven safe, dishwasher safe. The Granitestone Armor Max is an 8-inch black frying pan. It has a non-stick surface, so food doesn't stick easily. It's made with a hard material called anodized, which makes it strong. You can cook many things in it, like eggs or pancakes. It works on induction stoves and can also go in the oven and dishwasher. The Granitestone Armor Max 8-inch pan is designed for easy non-stick cooking and quick cleanup. It's light and heats up fast, cooking food evenly. While it's generally considered good quality and durable for everyday use, it can be easily dented or damaged with rough handling. It's best used on low to medium heat, as overheating can cause issues. It lacks a lid and isn't ideal for searing meat or making omelets due to its edge shape.